When it comes to snow adventures, we usually think of massive snowmobiles or heavy-duty tracked machines. But did you know there's a whole world of tiny, off-road snow vehicles that are surprisingly powerful and fun? From compact snowblowers to ultra-light snow bikes, these little machines can tackle trails, slopes, and even deep snow in ways you wouldn't expect. In this video, we're diving into the top 15 smallest off-road snow vehicles you probably didn't even know existed. Each one unique, clever, and perfect for winter enthusiasts who love exploring off the beaten path. Venturi Antarctica. The Venturi Antarctica feels like a bold promise turned real. Compact yet capable, it is a zero-emissions tracked vehicle built for the most unforgiving cold. With two 60-kilowatt electric motors powered by a 52.6 kilowatt-hour battery, it delivers a base range of around 50 kilometers per charge, enough for many short Antarctic sorties. Lightweight, around 2.5 tons, and sized to carry up to 6 people, or gear, it blends practicality with robustness. Thanks to its insulating bodywork and caterpillar tracks, it can endure sub-zero temperatures as low as -60 degrees Celsius, while its fold-down bench seats and optional second battery make it flexible for varied missions. Unfortunately, exact publicly listed price for Venturi Antarctica is hard to pin down. Given its specialized nature and limited production for polar research, it's not sold like a conventional consumer vehicle. What we do know, this is not a mass-market buy, but a premium, purpose-built machine aimed at preserving polar environments while giving scientists mobility in harsh terrain. John Deere 44-inch Snowblower. The John Deere 44-inch snowblower gives a surprising punch for a compact snow clearing attachment. Its 44-inch clearing width and 12-inch diameter auger make it effective on driveways and sidewalks, while the two-stage design, low-speed auger feeding a high-speed blower, handles wet or heavy snow far better than single-stage throwers. The cast-iron gearbox and shear bolt protection give confidence when hitting ice or compacted snow, and the 200-degree rotating chute with adjustable spout lets you control snow placement from the seat. At roughly 180 pounds, it stays manageable and mounts with minimal fuss, perfect for homeowners needing dependable winter cleanup. Snowdog Compact. The Snowdog Compact impresses with how much it packs into such a small frame. It's light, nimble, and practical for snowy trails or forest paths. Powered by a small yet reliable engine, it's surprisingly capable for hauling sleds or gear and navigating mild snow or ice. Its compact size makes it easy to transport and store, a big plus if you don't have room for a full snowmobile. It may not be built for deep powder adventures, but for light snow, short trips, or cargo hauling, the Snowdog Compact delivers dependable, no-fuss winter mobility with a simple, down-to-earth charm. Arctic Cat MY25. The 2025 Arctic Cat My25 snowmobiles bring a fresh mix of power, precision, and agility, especially for riders wanting compact but spirited sleds. Built on the new Catalyst platform, they offer a choice between a proven 600 class engine or the newer 858C TEC2 engine, giving a nice balance of responsive handling and stronger performance when you need it. The chassis feels well balanced and nimble, holding its ground even over twisty trails and choppy snow. Pricing for many My25 models starts around $10,000, competitive for this level of engineering and flexibility. All in all, MY25 brings the joy of snowmobiling into a manageable package, ideal for both casual riders and adrenaline-hungry snow seekers. Envo MoonBike. The MoonBike feels like a breath of fresh air for snow-loving riders. Light, silent, and surprisingly nimble. At just 87 kilograms, it zips across powder with ease, reaching up to 26 miles per hour, approximately 42 kilometers per hour, and its electric 3-kilowatt motor, with approximately 170 Newton-meters torque, offers smooth, instant response power. With a single battery, you'll get roughly 1 to 1.5 hours, approximately 16 to 32 kilometers, of snowy freedom, and with dual batteries up to about 3 hours, approximately 64 kilometers. Ideal for backcountry fun or resort rides. Priced around $11,409 before extras, it's not cheap, but for those seeking an eco-friendly, low-maintenance snow machine that blends snowbike simplicity with snowmobile spirit, MoonBike hits a sweet spot. Envo Flex Snowbike. The Envo Flex Snowbike brings a fun, compact twist to winter adventures. Light enough to carry yet powerful enough to tackle snowy trails. It runs on a 1000-watt electric hub motor with a 48-volt, 17.5 amp-hour, 840 watt-hour battery, giving a practical 15 to 50 kilometers of range per charge, with dual battery options extending that range. It weighs around 40 kilograms and features a foldable aluminum frame and front suspension fork, great for storage or transport. Priced around $3,200 US, it's a relatively affordable entry into snowbiking. For light snow or casual winter rides, Flex balances practicality, quiet electric power, and portability. Perfect for riders who want snow fun without bulky machinery. Aktiv Grizzly. The Aktiv Grizzly carries a rugged, back-to-basics charm that still impresses decades after its heyday. With dual 38 by 384 centimeter tracks covering nearly 1 square meter and a single, or dual on some versions, front ski, it handles deep snow like a beast. Powered by a 497 cubic centimeter two-stroke engine from Rotax, putting out 38 horsepower, Grizzly gives dependable, no-fuss performance for snowbound trails or forest runs. Its 309 centimeters length and weight, around 345 to 375 kilograms, make it modestly sized but solid enough for real winter work. While it's no modern snowmobile, it remains a classic. Perfect for those who appreciate vintage machinery with genuine snow-prowling heritage. Bombadier BR100. The Bombadier BR100, sometimes called Bombi, feels like a compact but rugged snow prowler built to tame winter terrain. Tipping the scales at around 900 kilograms, with wide dual tracks that spread weight evenly, it glides over powder without sinking. Powered by a 1.6-liter inline-4, about 57 horsepower, it's able to haul people or gear at up to 32 kilometers per hour. Modest, but enough for grooming trails or working in remote snowy zones. Its relatively small footprint makes it far more manageable than full-sized snowcats, yet it retains the sturdy build of classic tracked machines. It may not be a high-speed snowmobile, but for efficient winter mobility and utility in deep snow, BR100 delivers simple, dependable performance. A no-frills workhorse with vintage charm. Tucker Snow Kitten. The Tucker Snowcat Kitten feels like a tiny legend of winters past. Compact, unglamorous, and built tough for deep snow. With dual steel tracks driving on pontoons and around 32 horsepower from its old Ford-derived engine, it ambles over snow softly, rarely risking a sink. It isn't fast, about 11 miles per hour, but its modest size and simple gear shift controls make it surprisingly manageable, even for narrow forest paths. As one of just approximately 110 ever built, Kitten is rare, more of a nostalgic snow rover than a practical modern machine. For someone drawn to vintage ruggedness and quiet, slow-paced snow travel, it's a charming throwback. Bombadier J5 Mini. The J5 feels like a tiny, hardy workhorse built for snow and swampy terrains rather than speed. With a 115 horsepower engine, low ground pressure, about 0.09 kilograms per square centimeter, and wide tracks, it crawls over deep snow, soft muskeg, or icy ground without fuss. Its compact footprint, narrower and shorter than its muskeg brethren, makes it more manageable, ideal for forest trails, remote work, or logging. It wasn't built for thrills, but if you value rugged reliability and simple, rugged snow travel, the J5 is a quiet champion of practicality. Yanmar AC21 Crawler. The Yanmar AC21 stands out for its small size, rugged tracks, and straightforward power. Its 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder diesel engine delivers about 20.5 horsepower, 15.3 kilowatts, enough to creep over rough or soft ground with steadiness. At only about 830 kilograms and measuring approximately 233 centimeters long by approximately 125 centimeters wide, it maneuvers where larger machines can't. The hydrostatic transmission makes control smooth and simple, ideal for tight or uneven terrain. While not built purely for deep snow, its crawler tracks and compact build hint it could manage light snowy scrambles or muddier trails, useful for off-road work or modest winter conditions. If you want, I can check if anyone has adapted it for snow use and share those examples. Tinger Track 2. The Tinger Track 2 feels like a rugged mini-tank for snow, swamp, or rough terrain, capable of tackling snow-covered paths or muddy bogs with equal ease. Its 812 cubic centimeters, 3-cylinder engine produces about 57 horsepower, propelling the roughly 950 kilogram machine over snow, water, or uneven ground at up to approximately 35 kilometers per hour. Wide, 500 millimeter rubber tracks keep ground pressure low, approximately 0.04 kilograms per square centimeter, letting it glide over deep snow or soft marshy ground without sinking. With capacity to carry up to 5 people and carry or tow heavy loads, 500 kilogram load, 800 kilogram tow, it's more than a toy, useful for work, hunting, or wintertime logistics. Because there's no fixed retail price publicly listed, cost depends on dealer and configuration, but you get a surprisingly versatile, all-terrain, all-season companion. Husqvarna P 525D. The Husqvarna P 525D impresses with its compact build and sturdy 1,123 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder diesel engine from Kubota, delivering about 17.8 kilowatts, approximately 24 horsepower, giving steady power for year-round tasks. Its hydrostatic all-wheel drive and articulated steering give excellent maneuverability, handy for narrow paths or uneven ground. With optional attachments such as a snowplow or broom, it becomes more versatile than a typical mower. Priced in the ballpark of approximately £19,000, it isn't cheap. Yet for someone wanting a rugged, compact utility machine capable of mowing, clearing snow or debris, P525D feels like a strong, no-fuss helper. 2025 ARGO Frontier Scout XTV. The ARGO Frontier Scout XTV feels like a rugged little off-road beast built for wild terrain. With a 650 cubic centimeter V-twin engine and classic transmission paired with the brand's smooth steering system, it claws through snow, mud, or swamp without breaking a sweat. Its low-pressure 24-inch tires, or optional tracks, spread weight so you don't sink, and the amphibious hull means it even floats. Perfect for unpredictable winter landscapes. Seating for 4, towing up to 1,200 pounds, and a land speed approximately 22 miles per hour, makes it practical yet nimble. Price starts around $24,000, giving good value if you want versatile snow. And off-road capability. Yamaha 2025. Snoscoot ES. 2025 Yamaha Snoscoot ES, a small-scale off-road snow vehicle that leans into fun and accessibility. The Snoscoot ES runs a 192 cubic centimeter fan-cooled 4-stroke engine and sits on a slim 93-inch track with double wishbone front suspension, giving it nimble handling and a smooth ride even over uneven snow. It's built with youth and beginners in mind, making it easy to start, control, and enjoy, yet still playful enough for adults seeking a light snow ride. With an MSRP around $5,500, it offers solid value for a compact, no-frills snow sled. It may not be a beast of power, but for casual snow trips or first-time snowmobilers, Snoscoot ES captures the joy of winter riding with simplicity and ease.